CM Panchal, exercise number 28. Gentlemen, at any rate, we should not have had memories of the past. As one grows in age, there is a longer past behind one, and if one goes on adding bad things, the total will become poetry bad. So let us look ahead rather than be too much obsessed by what might have happened before. Para, there is one thing which I particularly want to mention. Sri Anhoni put forward two objections. Besides these things of the past, he said that the turnaround of vegans has not improved much and that the speed of the good strain has come down. These are things which require some explanation. So far as vegan turnaround is concerned, it is important that honorable members should have a idea of what it means, because this index is often referred to and sometimes I feel that is not fully appreciated what the implication of this index is. Para, vegan turnaround is the interval between two successive loadings of the same wagon. A wagon is loaded today, say, with coal from Bengal fields, and it is taken to Gujarat and the coal is unloaded. It comes back either empty if the pressure is so great that empties have to be hauled back, or it is utilized for some other loading at the point where it is unloaded. If you average out the intervening period, that gives you turnaround for the wagon. You will kindly appreciate that the turnaround of the wagon will depend upon the size of the country, the type of traffic that it handles, the pattern and lead of traffic. These are factors which go into the index. Sometimes these comparisons, when they are made with a small country like the United Kingdom, are absolutely without comparable data and circumstances. Over.